move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Westview, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the right team to handle your local move in Westview, Florida. Here's how we make things happen first. First, our Westview local movers will arrive at your doorstep with all the necessary tools and materials. We'll carefully pack your belongings, ensuring their safe transport to your new home. We'll navigate the fastest and most efficient route, saving precious time and avoiding unnecessary detours. Our knowledge of the city means we understand the best times to avoid heavy traffics, shortcuts, and the most accessible parking spots. By being intimately acquainted with Westview, we provide expertise that ensures smoother moves and fewer headaches for our clients. You can trust us to handle the logistics while you focus on settling into your new abode. Regarding long-distance moves, 3 Movers is the reliable partner every step of the way. We'll assess your belongings thoroughly to determine the appropriate packing materials and transportation needs. Our experienced Westview long-distance 3 Movers team will skillfully pack and secure your items to ensure their safety during the journey. We understand the importance of your treasured possessions and handle them with the utmost care. To make your long-distance move hassle-free, we provide transparent pricing options to fit your budget. We strive to offer the best rates without compromising on quality service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westview moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.